Hello friends, good day, and this is the next question that is being asked to me. Will a pregnant woman and a breastfeeding lady get the COVID vaccine? Now let's see what India says and what the rest of the world says. So accordingly we'll come to know what decision we should take. So according to Government of India, so basically the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the site which is updated up to 25th of March 2021, under that if you see whether what are the contraindications for injection, they have the vaccine, they have mentioned pregnancy and lactation there because studies have not been done. All over world studies, nowhere the full studies of the vaccine given in a breastfeeding mother or a lactating mother are available. Okay, now this is the stand in India. Okay, and most of the things will go accordingly because if you go to get the vaccine, this will be the first thing. Okay, because it is a contraindication, people will not allow you to take. Now remember, this is a evolving disease. Now what is meant by evolving disease is new studies are coming very fast in this COVID-19. Okay, so things may change over the time. Now this was about the Indian scenario. Now let's go to the whole world scenario. Now in the whole world scenario, I am basically taking three studies which I have read through. Okay, one is the Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynecologists UK. The second one is the ACOG, that is the American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and the third one is the CDC, the Center of Disease Control and Prevention. Okay, all these other sites are updated up to the date or 25th of April 2021, that is few days back. Today is 28th, I am making the video on 28th. Okay, so according to this, okay, the latest is 16th April, they have said that the vaccination cannot be denied for pregnant ladies and lactating ladies. So mind the words, okay, cannot be denied or cannot be withheld from pregnant ladies or lactating ladies. Okay, this is all over the world I am talking. Now what are the reasons that they have given? In pregnant ladies, they have said be cautious, but if you are someone who is at risk, like people who are working in healthcare system, social workers who are working for COVID positive patients, people, ladies who are pregnant and are having serious complications which may predispose them for COVID-19 infection, then in those cases you may take a decision of vaccinating the people. Now they have also said two things. One is there is limited data of this vaccine in humans, number one, because studies are still underway. Number two, studies which are done in animals who are pregnant have not shown any effect on the fetus or the baby who is born. Number two. Number three, they have said that in US a study is already underway wherein 90,000 pregnant ladies have been vaccinated and no serious side effects were seen in these ladies or in the fetus. Okay, so these are the three things that they have said regarding the vaccination in pregnant ladies. So over the time, maybe there will be a time when they will allow it in pregnancy. Now remember, in pregnancy we do give vaccines which are not live vaccines, like you get TT vaccine, you get Tdap vaccine, you get flu vaccine during pregnancy. Now all these are not live virus. So is the true with all the vaccines which are used for COVID vaccine, okay, in UK, US and everywhere else. Okay, now the only glitch here is in India we are using two vaccines which are basically Covishield and Covaxin. Now no studies have been done on these vaccines, whereas outside in the rest of the part what vaccines are being used is that the studies where they were done, okay, in those areas the vaccines that are used are the Pfizer BioNTech, the Moderna mRNA vaccine. Now both these are mRNA vaccine, and the Janssen Biotech, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Okay, so these are the three on which studies are done, of which the first two, that is the Pfizer and the Moderna, these are which were advised in the pregnant ladies. Okay, this is what is written in one of the document. Okay, so this is regarding the pregnant woman. Now as I said, in pregnant woman all other vaccines which are given like the Tdap, the TT and the flu are not live viruses. So even the COVID vaccine which is given are not live viruses and they do not cause any problem because they are not replicating in the mother's body to cause harm to the fetus. Now this is all what logic says. Okay, So we are done with the pregnant woman. So as of now in India, we have very less chances of getting this vaccine for the pregnant woman because it is not licensed. Okay. Now number 2, we come to the second scenario wherein the breastfeeding mother. Okay. Now what happens to the breastfeeding mother? Now according to all these studies, as I said, the Royal College of Obstetrics and Gynecologists UK, the ACOG and the CDC guidelines, even in lactating ladies, you cannot withhold them from the vaccine. Now there are two things here. Again, the studies are limited. Okay. But now we say that even in India, it is said that the mother who is having infection with COVID-19, we can breastfeed the baby. The reason being that the live virus, now see, the mother is being infected and there is a live virus in her body. Okay. This live virus is not found in the breast milk which is secreted. So this cannot transfer, we cannot transfer the virus through the milk to the baby, which has been proved. Okay, the studies have been done on the milk. The milk has been tried, they have tried culturing the milk for that virus and it was not found. That's why we say that the mothers who are having COVID-19 infection can breastfeed the baby, because it is going to protect the baby by giving a lot of antibodies to the baby, which may include even the antibodies against the COVID-19. Number 1. Now, both the vaccines, that is the Covishield and the Covaxin, which are being given in the Indian scenario, are also not live viruses. They are a component of the virus or a inactivated virus, as we say. Okay. So, when a live virus is not found in the mother's milk, definitely this inactivated virus will also not have any problem in the breast milk. Okay, should not have. Now, this is what is theoretically extrapolating the live virus infected mother. Okay, considering that, we can say that it may be safe in the lactating mothers. Now many lactating mothers in the healthcare system have already taken the vaccine, have not reported any problems as of now. Okay, even I know personally many of them who are lactating, who are breastfeeding the mothers, and they have taken the vaccine without any problem. So that over time, as it is approved for 18 to 45, because most of the breastfeeding mothers and the lactating mothers are in this age group, once it is approved, that is after 1st of May, studies may come up, or maybe they will reveal certain studies, okay, which will show that yes, it has no problem in the lactating and the breastfeeding mother. So we have to keep updated. Now in my video, I have told everything that is as of now updated till 23rd of April 2021. As and when the new this thing data will come, I will make different video. So as of now, remember two things. In pregnant woman, it won't be given. In lactating woman, if you are from the high risk community like a healthcare worker or a person who is working with the COVID-19 patients like the social care worker, or someone who is having comorbid conditions, that is underlying problems, can take the vaccine with proper consent. That is, you get informed with your doctor that yes, you may require to take this vaccine. Go ahead, take the vaccine on your own risk. But if you see practically, there is hardly any risk which is involved. But we cannot release the vaccine at a public level without doing the test. That is why Government of India is saying that the studies are still underway, and that's why it is not recommended for pregnant women and the ladies. So on the whole, I would say take your own call, especially if you are working in the healthcare system. Take your own call and go ahead with the vaccination. Bye bye.